Why do bad-eared foxes have such massive ears? Turns out it's not just for show. Let's dive into 5 facts that will blow your mind. Fact 1. Those giant ears, they help the fox hear insects underground even in total darkness. Fact 2. The bad-eared fox can eat over 1,000 termites in a single night. That's one hungry hero. Fact 3. They're super social, living in family groups and even babysitting each other's pups. Fact 4. Unlike most foxes, they walk on their toes, making them super speedy and silent. And fact 5, their ears aren't just for hearing. They act like air conditioners, keeping these little guys cool in the African heat. Love weird animals? Hit like and subscribe for more wild science facts.